But you have come here long ago, I think. Choo, 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 choo. Choo, choo, choo. Yeah, you have come here before. Hippy Dippy. Hi, hi, how are you, Hippy Dippy? You have been here before. Good to see you here after a long time. Okay, so that is all rectified now. Thank God we are on the right track. It took me 21 minutes to get my act together. But as they say, better late than never. Better late than never. So thank you, Hippy Dippy, for being over here. Really appreciate it. And it's good to see you here after, I think, a long, long time. I asked my love to take a walk, just a little walk, down beside where the water flows, down by the banks of the Ohio. Choo choo roo roo, choo 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 choo, choo choo roo roo, choo choo roo. To cry to love, don't you murder me. I choo roo choo till eternity. Thank you for being here. Thank you so much for being here. Down beside where the water flows, down by the bank of the Ohio. Choo-choo-doo, a song to sing, to help me through. Choo-choo-doo, you can see the wonder of a fairy tale. Now, this is supposed to be a go live together, and I have lost the connection. I've lost the connection for the go live together. Additional settings. I'm not getting the link. Let me see if there's a link here. Oh, is he holding you the way I do? Though love is blind, wake up your mind. I've got to know.